I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, we are going to discuss how to construct lines which are parallel to given segment or which are perpendicular to a given segment. So we have two cases. The first one is parallel line through a point away from the segment, and the second one is a perpendicular line through a point on the segment. Okay, so let us see how to do that. So let me sketch a line first. So let's say that's the line segment, right? So we are saying we have a segment here which is AB, and we have to construct a line parallel to this segment through a point which is, let us say here we have a point C. Okay, so let me say this is a point C. How do we do that? That is the first case. And in the second case, we'll take up another segment, let's say CD. Okay, let's say PQ. Let me just name that segment as PQ. And we'll say how to construct a line perpendicular to a given point on the segment. It could be at P, it could be a Q, or we could take any general point, let's say R here, right? So let's say R. So we will construct a perpendicular line. So let me say perpendicular is this symbol, parallel is this symbol. Is it okay? So that is what we are going to do in this particular video. So let us see how to construct parallel line first. To construct a parallel line, we are using compass, as we have done for all these videos on loci and construction. So open the compass equal to length of the segment. This is the first step, right? So that is your segment. Open it to equal to the length of the segment. That's it, right? Now, place it at C and mark an arc. Okay, so here is this arc. That is the first step. The second step is, we know how far C is from A. So now open the compass equal to the length of AC, right? So AC is almost that much, right? Okay, so that is what it is. Then place it at B and check on your arc where it crosses. So at that cross point, mark that point as D, and then a line through C and D is the required line. Do you see that? That line which is through C and D is the required line. So let me just connect them now. So this becomes a line which is parallel to the segment AB. Perfect. Now in case you want to sketch a parallelogram, so if the question was to sketch parallelogram, in that case, what you should have done? In that case, you could have connected AC and BD, right? So that will give you a parallelogram like this. So this could be an extension to this particular application, right? So that becomes your parallelogram. Is that clear? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. And also of equal length, right? So also of equal length. So that is the concept which we applied. So we measured AB and made sure that CD is of same length as AB. And then we measured AC and made sure that BD is of the same length as AC. So actually, we constructed a parallelogram. A line through C and D gave us a line which was perpendicular to the given segment AB, right? So I hope the concept is clear. Now let's see how to construct a line perpendicular to a segment from a given point. So in this case, what you need to do is you open your compass, put it at the point which is of our interest, R in this case, right? R in this case, and then make an arc. Important thing is to cut this arc on the line segment PQ, right? So that is kind of important. So we get 2 points on this. We'll call them as P dash and Q dash, right? Now open it further, I mean longer than what it was earlier, and then make an arc which is kind of above R. Also place it at P dash and again cut that arc. So when you get a point, mark the point. You can label this as S, for example. Connect it with R. And then what you get is a line which is perpendicular to the line segment at R, right? So if you measure this, it is going to be 90 degrees. So I hope the steps are absolutely clear, right? Now, as an exercise, I will write you to, I'll give a question here, form 90 degrees angle at Q. So that is the question for you. You have to draw a line so that you get 90 degrees angle at Q. You may follow the steps which we just used to draw perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means 90 degrees, correct? So I hope the concept is clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe my videos, that would be great. And how to construct these angles, I'll provide you a link with this video, which you can check as part of your solution. Thanks for watching and all the best.